Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today our topic is about the construction of the total Pmdc motor. Basically all the Pmdc motors are having only the two permanent magnets here. As you see in the construction, these are the two totally permanent magnets, and also this is that is the total stator. As per the total difference between the all motors and this motor is comes between as a in this motor, for the stator no windings will be there. In the only the rotor will be the windings will be there, and also the rotor is having the stator is having the permanent magnets, and shaft and rotor commutators, outer shell, all pieces. So now I am going to show you exactly the things how it is practically in the day-to-day life. Okay, and coming to the things, so this is the exact PMDC motor. This is the quality as we will call it as the outer core or like outer shell will be there. So in this outer shell, if you see, this is the totally this what we are seeing is what when where is my finger I put it, that is called as a shaft, and it is called it as we are call it as a bare balls will be there, and bare balls will be there, and inside if we see the rotor means, just a second please. As I said that this PMDC motor is having the total permanent magnets. If you see there, you will see. Yeah, I will show you in this way. Yeah, if you see there, there are two magnets which are placed. There are two magnets which are placed here. One is top and one is bottom. So those are the two magnets which are placed here. So those two magnets are the permanent magnets which are placed along with the shell of the or the core of the total thing. So this we will take it as the stator. So as it is permanently placed magnet, so we don't have any windings, we can't connect it to this. And coming to the rotor, and this will be the rotor. As it is the rotor, it is showing, if you see that here is the total rotor windings will be there. So these are the total rotor conductors, and the what is the this brown color will be there, right? So this we will call it as the rotor windings, and this is called the brushes and all those things, and the shaft. So if you see the rotor slots, how we see in the diagram, like is a total, like it has a total some like rings will be there, like also total circles will be there. So in some of the time we will put as some square inside that one. So if you see, this is that one, the things what you are seeing here. So that we will see it in the some of the diagrams. We will see like this way, like we see like if we are drawing like this means, if we draw like this, and in these slots, and we will say these are the commutators. So these are the things we will call it as. So this the total what is it is the total small gap is there. That small gap is this one. What is totally we are seeing as apart from the iron, somewhat gray color will be this. So that is this one. So this is the exact things what you want to see here. So rotor conductors and rotor windings and the brushes and all those things, bare balls, and also the shaft. So this is exactly the total motor. So if we place the motor means, it is totally like it will attract very hardly. So we need to place it very clearly. So the air gap is very less. So that makes us things like this. So exactly the thing is motor will be like this. Thank you.